Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by equipping the glider and checking durability. This prevents mid-glide failures. Once done, move to a safe high ledge 8 to 12 meters up. Make sure you face the direction you want to travel, sprint toward the edge, then jump and deploy the glider as you begin to fall. This initial sequence sets your angle and speed, so practice the timing. Too early and you lose altitude, too late and you risk impact damage. Now focus on controlling lift and direction. You should make small, deliberate inputs. This lets you fine-tune pitch and bank without stalling. Once airborne, use brief boost or flap inputs to counter descent and keep momentum. When you need speed, dip the nose into a short dive, then pull up to convert that speed into forward travel. This trades altitude for velocity efficiently. Practice those transitions so your hands instinctively balance speed and safety during longer flights. Finish by planning your descent early and identifying a clear landing zone. You want flat or soft terrain. Once in range, gradually reduce forward speed with steady rearward input to soften touchdown. If you need to abort, cut lift and aim for water or an open slope to minimize damage. If the glider malfunctions or loses durability, deploy the emergency parachute or aim for a forgiving surface. This saves progress and prevents item loss. Keep calm and adjust inputs smoothly to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.